We're going to take a look at how to add text to our model. I'm going to go to the Curve tab, Text. You'll notice there's 3 different varieties. We'll look at them each individually. So Planier is just that. I'm just going to click in space. You can see it just snaps it to a plane. Then I can do some rotating and get it set up however I want. Let's say I want it on this back face. So what I might do is specify my CSIS. So I could choose the x-axis, y-axis origin, and kind of pick that way. So the origin point, x, y, and there it is. And even from here, you have the ability to do some rotating. But that's how Planier, how that one works. It's just giving you this nice little dynamic move option. Let's take a look at on curve. Now in this case, we're looking for some curves. So here I have a sketch and a spline inside of it. I'll just choose that, and it puts the text right on it. But here's kind of the neat thing about this. You can see I've got this larger sphere. I can click and drag, and then I can choose where do I want that to go. I can make the size larger and so on. The last one is probably the one that I use the most, is on face. And I'm going to do this a couple of different ways. So the first is I'm going to choose a face, and in this case I'm going to pick this back face. I still need to choose a curve. So I'm going to just choose this bottom edge, and there you can see the text. Now here's what's interesting about it. We have that little sphere, so I can move it back and forth. But then there's another arrow, an up arrow, where I can adjust it as well. And of course, as we've shown, you can adjust the size. And if it looks kind of skewed, then you just have to set the scale, W scale to 100%, and it'll look like what you would expect. Let me reset this. And I'm going to go with on face again. This time I'm going to have tangent faces, and I've got a flat face, and then I have this splined face. I'll choose my curve, and there's that text. So again, I can move it. Maybe I'll make it a little bit larger. But the nice thing about this, you can see that it's wrapping around. Or when I get to just the flat part, just adjust that, and good. Once you've got the text created, you can use it like any other geometry. So if I wanted to do an extrude, I'll set this to feature curves. So if I want to add that, or if I want it to be a cutout, either way it would work just like we expect. I'm going to delete the extrude. I'm going to do one more command, and that is I want to divide this face. So I'll choose my faces. In this case, I just want the one. I'll choose my tool, and I'm choosing that text. OK. And then you can see that it essentially etched that text right onto the surface. So that's how you can add text to a model.